Are there good pubs in Lahinch? If you are curious about the pub scene in Lahinch, you are in for a treat. This charming coastal town is known for its vibrant atmosphere and friendly locals. So, are there good pubs in Lahinch? Absolutely. Lahinch boasts several pubs that are popular among both residents and visitors, making it a fantastic spot to enjoy traditional Irish pub culture. One of the standout places is the 19th Bar Lahinch. This pub is famous for its lively atmosphere, making it a favorite hangout for tourists and locals alike. If you are looking for a place to unwind after a day at the beach, this is a great choice. Another excellent option is Flanagan's Bar. Known for its welcoming environment, it is perfect for casual drinks with friends or even a quiet evening. The friendly staff and cozy setting make it a beloved spot in town. If you are in the mood for a meal along with your drinks, O'Looney's Bar and Restaurant is a great pick. This venue combines a traditional pub setting with a dining experience, allowing you to enjoy a hearty meal alongside your favorite beverages. For those who appreciate live music, P. Frawley's Bar is a must-visit. This pub is well known for its traditional Irish music played over the speakers. With a pool table and a relaxed vibe, it is an ideal place to socialize with locals and enjoy the music. Kenny's Bar is another landmark in North Clare. This pub serves as both a restaurant and a bar, making it a popular spot for locals and visitors. The friendly atmosphere and authentic Irish experience make it a great place to relax and enjoy good company. Many of these pubs feature traditional Irish music, providing a wonderful opportunity to experience the local crack, which means fun and enjoyable conversation. Lahinch is often considered a hub for Irish music, so you can expect lively music sessions in these pubs, adding to the overall experience. For anyone traveling in Ireland and looking to enjoy authentic pub culture, Lahinch offers a variety of options that combine good drinks, traditional music, and a welcoming atmosphere. Whether you are looking for a lively night out or a cozy spot to relax, Lahinch has something for everyone.